Would you believe if I told you that Spain is going to pay you to relocate to their country? Oh my God. Like they are willing to give you 5 years work permit. Not just that, they're going to be taking care of your expense. And not just that, and they're going to be paying you an incentive for moving down to their country. If you're a lover of Spain and you want to relocate, please watch this video to the end. You don't need to skip any part of this video. All right. And make sure you subscribe if you're a new person here so that you don't miss opportunities like this. My name is Ella Uche, all right, and we share opportunities around the world that makes immigration very easy, very cheap, and very, very stress-free. All right, so welcome and welcome back, returning subscribers. I love you guys. You guys are the real MVPs, all right. First of all, Spain shares borders with France, like you already know, and you can move from Spain to any country of your choice. All right. In fact, you can move from Spain to the UK if you want to. A town called Ponga in Spain is willing to make all these dreams come true for you. All right. Because of their low population and low immigration rate, they are willing to give you 5 years, like 5 years of work permits. And not just that, they are going to be settling you. And let me tell you one interesting thing about this. Any child born during the course of these 5 years is going to be entitled to 2,600 euros. Do you know what that is? It's not a joke. All right. So this is an opportunity that you can move with your family. The only downside about this opportunity is that you need to remain in Ponga for 5 years. And that is nothing compared to your citizenship and settlement over there. All right. And you remember, once you get your citizenship, you can travel to any part of the world. So that is why it's important that settling down there is nothing. And they are making it as easy as possible for you. All right. So the first step of how to go about this opportunity is getting a job offer. There are a list of employers that are licensed to sponsor you over to Spain. All right. And please make sure that your CV is in the right order, like I usually say. All right. Now, once you get the job offer from your employer, the next thing is for them to sign the offer letter and send it down to you. And once that gets to you, the next step is picking up that offer letter, your international passport, a clean police report, and going to the nearest Spain embassy that is in your country. All right. And remember, work visa is like 95% guaranteed that your visa is going to be a yes. You're going to be getting that visa. And the application is as short as 3 weeks. Did you hear that? Application is as short as 3 weeks. All right. So if you want to relocate from now till February next year, this is an opportunity you need to hop on immediately. All right. And if you need help on your CV, you could send it to ellauchegroup@gmail.com. All right. And I'll be able to review it for you and see if it's okay to go ahead with the application. I know some of you in the comment sections have been saying I should help you on your CV, and that's the only way I can help for now because of my busy schedule. I might not have the time to create a fresh CV for you. On my laptop, I'm going to be sharing with you the government website you need to explore and the licensed employers that can sponsor you over. All right. So let me show you directly what I mean. So I don't cap. Let me show you. Let's go. This is the website for Spain, the official website. You can see it's moved to Spain on one condition. Now, I highlighted this earlier so that it could be easy for you to read. You can see Ponga is the name of the town. Spain is located in the southwest Europe. All right. So this is it. And it promises to pay you £2,600 and in euros 2,971 euros. Okay, that's almost like 3,000 euros. All right. So now, another good thing about it is that each child that is born there, you can see, is 2,600 pounds. All right. But there is only one condition. Can you see it? Let me highlight the condition so you can read. I know I said it earlier, so you don't think I'm fabricating things. It says there is only one condition. You have to commit to living in the town for 5 years. All right, or more. Like I said earlier, if your target is to get their citizenship, I'm not sure 5 years is too much to sacrifice, because even UK too, 5 years is the first step to moving forward. So now, for you to be able to get jobs that have the licensed employers, I'll be dropping some websites that you go to go and get these jobs for you to be able to process this. Now, the first website I'll be recommending is this European website. Can you see it? In case you come here and it is in French, or sorry, it is in Spanish, just come to your Google Chrome, translate. All right, translate to English. Can you see what I'm doing? Translate to English, but it's already on English. That is why they said dictated language is English already. So once you open it, it will pop up as Spanish. Go to your Google Chrome, click on that place. It will translate to English so you can be able to read it. And now, when you come over here, you're going to select the country of your choice. You come over here. You can see so many countries. You select Spain. Once you select Spain, you can see it. So many jobs. See, so many loads: cleaning, hairdressing, security, digital literacy, technician, so many things. Both the skilled and non-skilled worker, both the handyman, all these jobs. There are so many jobs here. So what you do, advice is this: if you know that particular role you want to apply for, just type it in here and you click the search button. It pops up whatever field or role you need to apply for. All right, that's the first website. Now, the next website I'll recommend is this job info job, sorry. Under this place, the same method, click on translate and it will translate it to English, because most of them, they are Spanish, and it pops up on your screen as Spanish. All right, so you just keep going down until you get, see this one, machine operator, financial administrator. So many roles are here. Okay, so many roles are here. Just click on the one that you feel that is what you can do and go for it. Now, the final website I'll be showing you, but I have so many links I'll be dropping. I will drop about 5 links for job vacancies in Spain, but you are to choose the particular one that you want. Okay, you are the one that will choose the particular one that you want. All right. So now this final one is to read jobs. Just like I said earlier, you translate and you continue to search for jobs. All right. But my favorite is this. All right, this Europass. So, and remember, you're going to tailor your CV in the European format. We have UK format and we have European format. There's something called Europass. That Europass is the format which their CV is being tailored. Okay, so that is how you should tailor your CV. You could Google it. You could Google it and find out how to. I don't want this video to be too long, because if I begin to add that one to this video, it's another video altogether. All right, so you could Google how to create a Europass CV format and it will pop up and you can just do it. Okay. So this is that about that. And remember, Spain is known for the economic stability and stuff. So it's a good place to migrate to if you feel Spain is okay for you. And it's a quiet place to raise family too. So you can travel with your family. That's the good thing about it. You will not be far away from your family. You can travel with your family members. All right. So that's it. This is the official website. Like I said earlier, this is the official website. And explore, make research on it, and find out if it's something you want to do. Okay. It's just very simple and straightforward. All right. So once you get the job offer and your employer signs it, like I said earlier, Your employer signs it. You gather your documents together. You gather your international passport, your police report, and you take it to the nearest embassy. And that is that. Under 3 weeks, guaranteed. Once you have your job offer signed, you will get, it's like more like 95 or more or even higher percent of you getting your positive visa feedback. All right, so this is what I decided to show you guys today, and I hope it's going to be beneficial to as many that needs it. All right, so just share to your friends and family, and do not forget to like this video. Please like this video. So many people need opportunities like this, and the only way you can help them is by liking this video. So don't watch this video without liking it. So now, having seen this opportunity, I hope as men that are willing to go to Spain are excited about this and they are willing to hop on this immediately. So guys, do not forget to like this video. I always say it, please like this video. It helps the algorithm. Please like this video, share to friends and families, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section if you are new here, all right? And I'll be welcoming you specially, all right? And don't forget to also subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed by now, please subscribe immediately so you don't miss out on updates, all right? Because I share opportunities of different countries, visa sponsorship, scholarships, in fact, relocation as a whole, whatever makes it easy and very stress free. So that is what I show on this channel. So please don't forget to subscribe immediately. Don't forget to also turn on your notification bell, all right? And I'll see you on my next video, guys. Do not forget to always be the best you can be. And I love you guys. Bye.